You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. In what is expected to be a show of strength, aiming to challenge the state government's stance on tourism and local transport, the All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association, AKMTTA, has announced a public rally on 18th September at Malki Ground here to demonstrate the solidarity of various tourist taxi associations across the state and to reiterate their objection to Assam cab ferrying visitors to tourist spots in the state. In a statement, AKMTTA President Ricaldinus Dolling criticized the minister's comments, accusing him of attempting to mislead the public regarding the unity of taxi drivers in the state. We are going to show our unity in the public rally, Dolling said, adding that all associations stand united in their demand to ban Assam tourist vehicles from carrying passengers to Meghalaya's tourist spots. The rally follows the conclusion of a week-long black flag protest by the association, which ended on Saturday. Reacting to the tourism minister's assertion that Assam is a major revenue generator for Meghalaya, Dolling slammed the state government for its failure to develop a sustainable revenue model. It seems like the state government prefers to rely on Assam for everything, be it health or education, Dolling remarked. He highlighted how citizens often have to spend between 5,000 rupees to 6,000 to travel to Guwahati for medical treatment, underscoring Meghalaya's dependence on Assam.